I would like to walk you through the rules for this quiz competition. For this quiz competition, we have got 3 teams from class 3 representing their respective sections. There will be 3 rounds in this competition, and each round will be consisted of 18 questions. That means each team will get 6 questions to answer. On answering one question correctly, they will get 1 point. If they fail to answer a question or do not know the answer to a question, that question will be immediately passed on to the other team. That means the other teams will get the opportunity to gain a bonus point. There will be no negative marking for this competition. So now I would like to introduce the quiz master for today, Mr. Tushar Goyal. Sir, the floor is yours.
Thank you, KT sir. What does ISRO stand for?
ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization.
Very nice. Coming to us, Team B, Team NASA. So what does NASA stand for?
N stands for National, A stands for Aeronautics, S stands for Space, A stands for Administration.
So team, what does JAXA stands for?
J stands for Japan, A stands for Aero, X stands for Exploration, A stands for Agency.
Give a huge round of applause for them. So let us start with round 1. Team A. When was the first hard disk invented? When was the first hard disk invented?
In 1979.
Right answer. Give her a huge round of applause. Very good. Coming forward to Team B. Who invented the telephone? I repeat the question. Who invented the telephone? So as we are very well known that Team B is not having the answer, the question automatically passes on to Team C. Team C. Who invented the telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
A good round of applause for them. Moving forward, Team C. Which planet has no natural moon? I repeat, which planet has no natural moon?
Venus.
Very good. Coming back to Team A. Which rock is used to make a pencil lead? Which rock is used to make a pencil lead?
Graphite.
Graphite is the right answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Team B. Name the cycle which includes the process of continuous evaporation, condensation and precipitation.
Water cycle.
Very good. Give them a huge round of applause. Shows the young minds are truly ready for this. Next. Which sense organs makes us feel the burning sensation? Which sense organ makes us feel the burning sensation?
Skin.
Skin is the right answer. Very good, beta. Team A. Where is the smallest bone in the human body? Where is the smallest bone in the human body?
In ear.
Ear. Ear is the right answer. What is the place called where aeroplanes are kept after landing and before taking off?
Hanger.
This is the perfect answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Coming back to Team C. Who gave the slogan, "Give me blood and I promise to give you freedom"?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose is the perfect answer. Everyone please give them a huge round of applause. Team A. Who designed the Indian flag?
Pingali India.
Pingali India is the perfect answer. Give her a huge round of applause. Team B. Which freedom fighter was highly fluent in many different languages?
Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is the perfect answer. Who was the first woman to go to the space?
Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla is the right answer. Everyone, please give them a huge round of applause. Very good. Team A. Which state is famous for the production of silk sari in India? Karnataka is the right answer. Karnataka is famous for the production of silk sari in whole India. Team B. Which is the most expensive spice of India? Which is the most expensive spice of India?
Black pepper.
Sorry, black pepper is not the right answer. Automatically, the answer passes to Team C. Team C, third time you are getting the chance to get bonus marks. So I repeat the question: which is the most expensive spice of India?
Cardamom.
Cardamom is not the right answer. This time the chance comes to Team A. If you give the answer, you will also gain a new point. So, which is the most expensive spice of India?
Turmeric.
Sorry, turmeric is the wrong answer. As all the teams are not able to answer, let me give you the right answer. Saffron. Saffron is the most expensive spice of India. Coming to the next question, who was the first Indian to give a speech at the United Nations General Assembly in Hindi?
Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Very good. Atal Bihari Vajpayee is the correct answer. Next question from Team B. Which country flag is simplest in the world, containing a red circle that resembles the sun?
Japan.
Japan is the perfect answer. Everyone, please give them a huge round of applause. Team C. Who were the gold medal winners for India at the Chess Olympiad 2024? I repeat, who were the gold medal winners for India at the Chess Olympiad 2024?
D. Mukesh and R. Pragnanda.
Perfect. D. Mukesh and R. Pragnanda was the perfect answer. Thank you all, and this brings us to the conclusion of a round 1. Team B plus 3.
And Team C plus 7.
Team C plus 7. So after such a successful round 1, moving forward towards round 2, that is rapid fire round. In this round, one player will be called from one team and there will be a 1 minute rapid fire round. So I would like to call upon one participant from team A who wants to come for the rapid fire. You. Your name is? So give a huge round of applause for Anshika Shakya. Anshika, please come. So Anshika, for this round you will be given 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. Be very fast. So where is the India's first missile field located?
Abdul Kalam Island and Shakipur.
Right answer. Which is the full form of AI?
Artificial intelligence.
Right answer. In which country was held G20 summit in 2023?
India, New Delhi.
Right answer. How many medals won by India in Paris Paralympics 2024?
29 medals.
Very good. Right answer. What is the name of India's longest sea bridge?
Atal Setu.
Right answer. Who is the CEO of Google?
Sundar Pichai.
Right answer. Whose birth anniversary is celebrated as
Dr.
Teachers Day?
Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Very good. Right answer. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Right answer. Which planet has a moon satellite?
Earth.
Right answer. Which Indian sportsman is known as Flying Sikh?
Milka Singh.
Right answer. Who was known as a human computer?
Shakuntala Devi.
Right answer. Which country in Asia gets the first electric street light?
Bengaluru.
Right answer. Which substance is the hardest on the earth?
Diamond.
Right answer. Who is referred to the Nightingale of India?
Sarojini Naidu.
So Anshika gave 15 answers from 15 questions. Perfect. So continuing with Team B. Who wants to come from Team B? Your name is?
Sanskar Singh.
So give a huge round of applause for Sanskar Singh. Sanskar, you are already known about the rules and regulations. Your time starts now. When did Vande Bharat train started?
15 February 2019.
Right answer. When did India launch Chandrayaan 3?
14 July 2023.
Right answer. Which famous Indian economist died in December 24? What position did he hold?
Former Prime Minister of India Manmohan Singh.
Right answer. Who is the youngest chess champion in the world?
Master D. Mukesh.
Right answer. In which book the character Mowgli appears?
The Jungle Book.
Right answer. Which gas do humans need to breathe?
Oxygen.
Which is the Independence Day celebrated in India?
15 August.
Which country won the first T20 World Cup and when?
Paris, France.
Sorry, wrong answer. In which city the new Parliament House of India was
New Delhi.
Right answer. Whenever a fire breaks out, where do we go?
Fire station.
Right answer. Which is the tallest statue in the world?
Statue of Unity.
Right answer. Who are the founder of Google?
Larry Page and Sergey Brin.
Right answer. Who won the Asian Champions Trophy for hockey in 2024?
India.
Right answer. Who is the father of computer?
Charles Babbage.
Right answer. Who is the founder of Facebook?
Mark Zuckerberg.
Right. Out of which 15 were correct. Thank you, Sanskar. So now I would like to call upon a participant from Team C. Who would like to call? Your name is?
Priyanka Rajput.
Priyanka Rajput, please come on stage. Priyanka, you are very well known about the rules and regulations. Be very fast. Your time starts now. What were the first banknotes known as? What were the first banknotes known as?
Flying
True. What is the traditional dress of Japan?
Kimono.
Right answer. Who invented the light bulb?
Thomas A. Edison.
Right answer. Who was the 44th president of the United States of
Barack
America?
Obama.
Right answer. Which tower took 2 centuries to be built?
Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Right answer. Who played the lead role in the movie series Mission Impossible? Who played the lead role in the movie series Mission Impossible? Which is the tallest building in the world?
Statue of Unity.
Wrong. Which is the famous cuisine of Italy? Which is the famous?
Pasta.
Right answer. Which is the currency of United Kingdom? Pass. Which country is also considered a continent?
Australia.
Right answer. Which is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Right answer. Which is the official name of Big Ben? What is the official name of Big Ben?
And Elizabeth Town.
So coming to the last and the final round of this quiz competition, that is the game changer round. In this round, you will be asked 5 questions and every question will consist of 2 points. The student who knows the answer will raise their hand and the judges will tell us who has to give the answer. Question number 1. Which player has won a total number of 4 medals including 1 gold and 3 bronze in the Commonwealth Games? Team C.
Sania Nehwal.
This is the right answer. Give them a huge round of applause. Question number 2. How many times India has won the Cricket World Cup? Team C.
1983, 2011.
This is the perfect answer. Give her a huge round of applause. Third question. Team A and B, buckle up. In which year the first ever badminton competition in the world was held? Team A. Sorry, questions can't be repeated. Coming forward to the next question. Who founded his own badminton academy in Hyderabad? Team B.
Leela Gopichand.
Pullela Gopichand is the perfect answer. Coming towards the last question of this round. Which sport is adapted from rugby and has become the world's favorite sport? Team A.
Football.
Football is the right answer. Everyone please give them a huge round of applause. And this brings us to the conclusion of all the rounds. The results will be given to you within some time. Let me go towards the judges. Thank you. So now, it's time for results. But there is a small twist. We have a tie between 2 teams. That is Team B and Team C. The judges have decided that there will be 1 more question. And the team which will answer will get 2 points for the same. So Team B and C, get ready. This is truly going to be the game changer for you both. So the question is, who is world's first best snooker player who is also having total of 5 international snooker titles? Team B.
Ronnie O'Sullivan.
Yes, Ronnie O'Sullivan is the right answer. And this brings the game to a new page. After this game changer question, the results are as follows. Team C stands third with a total score of 20 marks. Team B stands second with total 22 marks. And Team A stands first with total 23 marks. Give them a huge round of applause. Thank you students. Thank you to each and everyone.